Listen to me. Don't play with me, you know. Like the video. May I wait? You like it? Alright. Like. Comment. Some positive too. Alright. But hold on there. You don't subscribe it. Subscribe, man. May I wait? See, I'm patient? Alright. You done? Hit that notification bell to get notified every time we post. We love you. Bye.
In a focus.
No.
Yeah, people. Yeah, man, I want a rum thief. This is it. Yeah, man. Right now, we there. I come to order more rum. See who we order from today? Yeah.
Yeah.
Rum we want for today.
That's one half a dog, my boss.
No, we half a dog done with. You want full dog, big dog.
Full dog, big dog. Cut him a big man, Jay.
Yeah. But anyway, people, watch out now. Rum thieves, all of them. Away. So watch out. Watch, like, subscribe. Big up on yourself. Up top.
Happy and start.
Why I need to stop you?
Can feel better, so.
Alright, me stop. When I go on with, when I like up a video of them, I like how very interested you are. That's the thing I'm most enthused about. The interest just rampart. Anyways, come, let's go and try it now.
Where baby?
So you swear if you tell the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do. I like to say?
I do. I swear.
I swear.
I say, well, I say, I do.
Mr. Lawrence, if I tell you what I want.
The whole buckle.
Yeah, man.
Alright, let's see how it works. Watch out. Watch out, Shappy. You come over here. Shappy.
Camera girl.
Yeah, people. Yeah, man, I want a rum thief this. You see it? Yeah, just like, watch and like and subscribe to them.
Big up on yourself, people. Share a video of them and all them something. Come on, that's something.